Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing awesome, wonderful, well. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in and for clicking on this video today. I appreciate it. If you are someone who's just come across my channel here on YouTube, thank you for watching. And of course, I will definitely invite you to subscribe before you go. And of course, you can see in today's video, I am not wearing any makeup today. And that's because I'm going to share with you guys my skincare routine. You guys are going to see a video coming up in a minute. And every time I go through my skincare routine, I do not put makeup on my face. Because I feel like I spend so much time going through this routine and then all of a sudden I have to pack makeup on top of it. Absolutely not today. And the only thing I did was my eyebrows. I'm going to show you guys how I did my eyebrows using this Doll 10 brow pencil. You would have seen this on my Insta stories not too long ago. And I'm just going to show you guys how I got the brows done with this beautiful, awesome pencil from Doll 10 Beauty. That's going to be coming up next. And everything I use in this video is going to be down below for you guys. And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching and I shall see you next time. Toodles! Okay my love, so here I am just fresh out of the shower, and that was a cold shower. I have been taking cold showers for a very long time. I mean, we all know that cold showers is good for you. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see my chest, but it's a little bit red even on my arms. Here it's just slightly red. You may not be able to see it, which means that, you know, when you take cold showers, it really does help to bring the blood to the surface of the skin, helps to reduce inflammation, all of that. I mean, you guys know that already. This is something that athletes do all the time. You know, they sit in a tub of ice, you know, so it's really good. And I know you must be saying to yourself, how can you get up in the morning and take cold showers? Well, when you do it the first time, you're probably going to think, oh my God, this is too cold, but then your body is going to get used to it. So it's really, really good. It energizes you and it makes your body feel so good. So my face is already washed. So I'm just going to show you guys the second part of this. And I love to use this product from the Body Shop. This is the Youth Liquid Concentrate. This is a peel. And I have been using this for a very long time. You guys know this is one of my favorite facial products. And although I've already washed and cleansed my face, you know, sometimes there is still a little extra dirt still lodged into the pores. So I like to use this on my skin. And you're going to see in a second what this product does. And you don't need a whole lot of it. You just need a little bit. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my forehead. And let me just show you guys this side, probably better lighting. And when you start to rub, do you see what's happening? This is a liquid exfoliant and all of the dead skin cells are just being removed from my skin. Do you see that? Okay, and I don't use this every single day, probably, you know, 3 or 4 times a month I'm going to use this. And my skin is really, really sensitive. Do you see that? Do you see the peel? And this is not even irritating my skin. And I just let this go just for a few minutes, just to get rid of all of that skin cells. And I'm probably going to let this sit on my skin for maybe a minute, if that long, just so this can seep into my pores and help to detox all of the dirt that's left on my skin. So now, hope you guys can see that, I'm just going to rinse this off. Okay, so I've just rinsed that off, and always remember to use a clean face towel. So I'm just going to pat my face. And I don't rub, I don't like go like that, I just pat my face down. That feels so good. And so next I'm going to go in with my Glamglow Mask, and this came in a box charm box, and I have been using it, as you can see. So this is a little brush that I set aside to use when I'm doing my masking. And so I'm just going to take a little bit out, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. I don't mind dipping the brush back in here because I know my face is clean. And I think a brush is much better when you're putting on a face mask. And this smells so good. And it has like little things in it. Hope you guys can see that. So do you see that little things here? That's inside the mask. And right away you get a tingling feeling with this. And so the mask is on. So I'm just going to give this about maybe 6 to 8 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse this off, and I'm going to do the next step afterwards. So stick around. So as you can see, this is completely dry. This is about 6 minutes, and as you can see, my lips can hardly move. So I'm just going to take a minute and just rinse this off. Okay, so the mask is washed off of my face, and of course I washed my face in cold water. Oh my god, that feels so good. That feels amazing. I mean guys, look at my skin. Could you see that? Could you see that beautiful rosiness of my skin? It's amazing. And again, I don't just rub my skin like that, I always pat my skin down, which is the best thing for your skin. Okay, so now I am going to use a cotton pad. Almost finished, I'm going to have to get another one. And I'm going to be using my Belif toner. This is from Avon. I've mentioned this before. So I put a little on the sponge, like so. And I just kind of rub, kind of pat my skin down. And instantly I can feel the softness on my skin because this toner hydrates your skin and your skin feels so soft. It adds lots of moisture to your skin as well, and it's this one here, and this is from Avon. So I'm just going to continue patting my skin down like all the way to my forehead, under the eyes, over my eyes. Toss that out. Ah, my skin is just singing right now. Beautiful. That is just really nice. So next I'm going to go in with my Vichy NormaDerm anti-acne treatment. I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hands. You don't need a lot of this product. This is so good. And I just put this all over my face. And I just rub that in. A little massage, very gentle. Just over the eyes, just to give my face just a little lift. So I'm not going to use my Derma wand today because I used that last week. Very big. The freshness is amazing, guys. Amazing. Next, I'm going to go in with my Vichy Neovadiol. This is the day cream. You guys heard me mention this before. And of course, a little bit of this goes to the back of my hands. And again, you don't need a lot of this stuff. You just need a little bit. And so I'm just going to put this all over my face. And just a gentle rub. Skin feels so good. Amazing. Look at my skin, guys. I really love the way my skin is looking. Beautiful. And so last but not least, I'm going to be using my eye cream. This is from MSM. Again, you guys heard me mention this before. So I'm just going to put a little bit just to the side of my eyes. And also to the bottom, just like so. And of course, a little bit goes a long way. And I'm just going to use these fingers and I'm just going to tap. And I'm going to tap up. As opposed to rubbing, I'm just going to tap it up. And we are done. So everything that I use on my face is going to be in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to try one or two things. And my skin feels